Now we're going to prepare our fruit and cake. Of course, the strawberries already come prepared, but we're going to take the apple and we're just going to cut it into wedges. And you can cut it into wedges or cubes. You could peel it. Some people don't like the skin. Just remember, when you are cutting your fruit, if you've washed the fruit and washed your hands, make sure to dry everything thoroughly, because if you've ever seen what happens when water goes into melted chocolate, it's not pretty. It seizes up and you can't use it, so you'd have to start all over. So I'm just going to take my apples and my banana, and you can cut the pieces as big or as small as you like. And then we're going to cut our angel food cake, and you can cut this into cubes. You don't even have to use a knife, actually. You can just tear it like you would with a nice bread, a fresh baked bread. So we'll just cut these up and get them in the perfect proportion for dipping.